Hello, my name is Subbiah Viswanathan. I am the Chief Operating Officer and Enterprise Head of Transformation at Apollo Hospitals, Chennai. I want to take a minute to hopefully welcome and convince you to attend the Transforming Healthcare with Information Technology conference that is slated to happen in the very near future. The reason I'm attending is because I run the #1 hospital in the country. And what I've learned in my experiences in providing healthcare services and the delivery of healthcare services is that today's consumers are extremely discerning. They have frames of reference that come from the experiences that they gather from other industries, and they parlay that directly to the expectations that they have with the delivery of healthcare. And the interesting sort of challenges we have in healthcare across the globe, and particularly in India, stems from the fact that the supply and demand challenges are proving to be insurmountable. It's becoming a real challenge. And the only way that I believe we can perhaps address these growing, mounting critical needs as far as healthcare delivery goes is through leveraging our IT systems and through leveraging the power of IT. My hope is you will come and attend the conference so you can share some of your learnings and how you have actually used information technology to provide care, as we will, and all of the other partners that come in to share their experiences in this space. And I think this is framed in the context of where healthcare delivery is today and where it must be in the future. Even as we speak, the information asymmetry that used to exist in the healthcare space is rapidly changing. Everybody these days has access to information on the web, and the expectations thus has significantly changed. Today's consumers come to us having had a chance to understand options, and the buying cycle, if you will, has also changed significantly. So the need of the hour for providers like us is to change with these changing expectations that consumers have. And on the clinical medical side, it is increasingly apparent to us that we have a brewing crisis, especially here in India. The war with non-communicable disease must be fought, and the only way we can do that is through education of consumers about lifestyle choices. And once again, I think and I believe that IT is going to play a key role in driving that message forward for us. If you take any healthcare provider across the globe, we'll typically see a common set of challenges. It is always going to be a challenge with supply and demand. It's always going to be a challenge with the frames of reference that consumers have. It is always going to be a challenge with doing more with less. It's going to be the challenge with providing more quality at a lesser cost. And all of these things have a common underpinning. The really successful healthcare systems of today and the future will be the ones that can learn to leverage information technology. Over the course of this conference, I believe you will see a number of ways and means that successful providers have partnered with folks in the IT industry, and how leading edge providers like Apollo Hospitals are trying to come up with ways and means to reframe the question and come up with innovative, clever ideas and approaches to provide seamless, integrated healthcare. So I hope to see you there, and talk to me in person when you see me there.